A very good day. I speak to Mr. Sheikh Farid and Mr. Shuko. My name is Lei Shan, and now we will presenting the boundary defined problem project of Geomatic Engineering Technology, and we are come for session 3,
Day
group
to
4.
Shifare and Shiko, and now I am pleased to introduce our team member, which is our group leader, Leishan, me, myself, Melody Ohichi, Ashman Zahin, No Akira Iswani, and the last one is Muhammad Khairuddin. Here is our table of content, which consists of objective, learning outcome, introduction, theory, practice equipment, fieldwork procedure, booking, result and discussion, voting, and the last one is conclusion. My name is Melody, and now I will be explaining our main objective of setting up project. The first objective is to lay out a proposed construction in the survey area using the topographic drawing. The second objective is to be carried out rapidly in an efficient manner to minimize the construction cost and delay but be fully checked. And the last objective is to place the structure in their correct relative and capsular position. At the end of this practical, we are able to prepare the design in detail site plans for a proposed engineering project. In addition, we use the technique, skill, and modern engineering tools in engineering survey application. Apart from that, we will expose to the concept and application of setting up survey. Last but not least, we will experience in teamwork and critical analysis in relation to the engineering survey in civil engineering. Now I am pleased to explain the introduction of setting up. The process of surveying where the position and levels of building, roads, drainage, steelwork, and all other engineering projects are already marked on a plan and transferred to the ground by a variety of techniques and by specially made tools. The establishment of marks and lines to define the position and the level of element of the construction work. Last, the good work practice and technique in setting up are essential to minimize the error and to ensure the construction process proceeds smoothly.
Now I will continue the discussion about the theory of setting out project. A setting out survey is a technique for determining the exact position of a proposed construction within the boundary of a plot of land. By using various approaches and tools, the purpose of setting out is to determine the ideal location and level of building line and route alignment for a project structure in accordance with construction plan. In short, setting out survey entails the process of translating a building design to the exact site so that the builder may follow it while constructing.
Next, I will continue the equipment that have been needed in a setting out project. First, we need a total station, mini prism, a measuring tape, a pole, tripod, pegs, nails, a prism, and lastly is hammer. Next, I will continue to discuss about procedure when conducting a setting up project. Firstly, a total station has been set up at the selected control station. Next, a datum required has been set to the BS station. Number third is firstly, tape has been used to measure the distance to the first peg of the building. By driving a peg at that point with a nail on top, the tape is being held by one person at the instrument point and by another person over the B1 peg. Number 4 is the distance and the bearing of B1 peg with the mini prism has been checked. The peg has been adjusted until the distance is accurate with tolerance in 0.005 meter. The peg should then be adjusted until it is aligned with a calculated bearing. Number 5 is after that was completed, the tape was stretched out and wide to get the position of the second peg. Now, lastly is the above procedure is repeated at B2 and all corners of the building. So this is the booking data that we have recorded in all corners and part, and the difference also.
Now I will continue to discuss the result and calculation for our project. Before starting the building setting out, we need to get the true bearing and horizontal distance for each line for the setting out plan. We can ensure the real dimension and bearing of the plan by using the AutoCAD application on the previous tachometry plan. The table below will show the data we get from the AutoCAD application. From station 4 to B1, the bearing is 79 degree, 43 minute and 20 second, and with the 3 meter horizontal distance. From B1 to B2, the bearing is 222 degree, 38 minute and 12 second with 6 meter. While from B1 to B3, the bearing is 241 degree, 4 minute and 17 second with 6.325 meter and so on. After the setting out plan was determined on the site, the measurement of the plan will be taken. The difference in length will be measured to get the tangential of each building line. A manual calculation will also be done to verify the correct answer. For the calculation of distance, the triangle method will be used. For example, from part B1 to B2, the real measurement is 6 meter, but on site we get the measurement is 5.64 meter. That means that we got 0.06 meter difference. And also from part B1 to B3, the real measurement is 6.325 meter, but on site we get the measurement is 6.3 meter only. This means that we got 0.025 meter of difference, and the rest of part will be calculated on the same method to get the difference. For the calculation of bearing, the triangle method will also be used to ensure that the bearing that we get is true to the calculation. The table below will show the real bearing and the on-site bearing. There is no difference between the real bearing and the on-site bearing because we will turn the total station to the exact bearing we need before we measuring the plan. On this slide, we will showing the plotting of building setting out project at parking lot beside block F UTHM Pago. And here we will showing the detail for the building setting out that we plan to do on the site.
For discussion, when conducting a setting out survey, several issues may arise which may impact the accuracy and efficiency of the survey. Some common issues include the inaccurate or insufficient design information. If the design information provided is incomplete or contains error, it can lead to discrepancies during the setting out survey. Lack of accurate design drawing specifications or changes in design can cause challenges in accurately locating and positioning points on site. Uneven ground, dense vegetation, or existing structures can obstruct sightliness, affecting the visibility and measurement accuracy during the survey. Equipment malfunction, calibration errors, or inadequate training in using the equipment can lead to inaccurate measurements and inconsistencies in setting out survey. Besides that, there are also factors that may come from the environment and even from the surveyors that might cause errors during the surveying works. Adverse weather conditions such as rain or extreme temperatures may impact the accuracy of measurements. Human errors or errors that were committed by the surveyors may occur from incorrect data entry, misreading measurements, or miscommunication, which can lead to inaccurate setting out. Lack of attention to detail, poor organization, or misinterpretation of design information can result in incorrect positioning of points on site. Thus, to mitigate these issues, it is essential to conduct thorough planning, including a careful review of design information, proper equipment calibration and maintenance, adequate training of survey personnel, and diligent field procedures.
For the conclusion of this setting out, first, we highlight the importance of geometric surveying in ensuring the successful implementation of construction projects, emphasize the significance of technology in modern surveying practice, enabling surveyors to streamline their workflow, enhance accuracy, and improve overall project efficiency. And second, the building setting out project is crucial component of geometric surveying where accurate measurement and precise position are paramount. It serves a testament to the essential role surveyor in the construction industry, showcasing their ability to bridge the gap between the architecture, design, and on-site implementation. With the advancement in technology and the expertise of skilled surveyor, the building setting out project continues to contribute the success. That's all from our Group 4 presentations. Thank you.